Hello everyone, here are a few tips for completing our assignments for the final week of our course. Make sure you read the announcement that I posted at the beginning of this week. It has some information on the press release, the press conference that we'll have on Wednesday at 7 p.m. via Zoom. And so definitely read that over. Appreciate it if you could attend that conference. It will help you and everyone complete the SEA assignment. For that assignment, let's go to modules and look over the major assignments. There's two this week. The color feature is it's similar to I believe it was the attraction article that you did earlier, and what it is you're supposed to attend, if you can, an event that's in the area that's going on. You don't need to write about the whole event, but you want to find out about it. Attend it if it's possible. Definitely would be helpful. And you just take in a lot of facts about it, and write a color story about it, focusing on a specific interesting aspect of the festival or event. There's spring, so there's a lot of things going on the weekend, of kind of parades or eating festivals, beer festivals, music, all kinds of activities going on. So make sure you read over the instructions completely. Make sure you try to have an interesting angle to begin your article, to draw your readers into it. 400 to 600 words. With this one, you want to include two digital photos, so you can just use your phone. Make sure you can use you caption them so you get credit for that, and quote at least two people at the event. So you do need to be at the event and include the email addresses of all the sources. Ask them a few questions, tell them who you are, and include your byline, a title, and a snippet, and write a nice news article on that. You don't one of the key things about that is you don't want to include marketing language, exclamation points. You're not promoting the event. You're just writing a news story with objective, factual information that's interesting, that people will want to read about. So, and make sure you look over the rubric. That's how I will be scoring the assignment. And let's see. The final one is the SEA. And read over the instructions. I guess I can click on those. Well, definitely read this over. It's important that you look at my announcement again, because that'll give you an idea of the angle that you'll want to pursue, and you'll do a little bit of research starting off on it. And I guess it would be good to show you just how to find it. It's about, I was a crime reporter for a few years when I was covering a lot of different. I was a general assignment reporter for a newspaper chain. So the angle of the article is me as a crime reporter, and you can also, include a little bit about what I'm doing now as far as teaching courses and things like that. But the focus should be on what the articles and kind of some of the things that I did as a crime reporter. And then you can ask me some questions at the press conference on Wednesday. So to find out, like, get some information on background in it, I recommend just typing in my name in any browser. And two cases that I worked on were actual murder cases, and they're very interesting. If you type in Chris Knaus, Pete Richter, and there's lots, so read over a few of these articles to get some background information on that. And there's also another murder case that I covered, which was also very interesting, and it's called, and if you type in that, you'll come up and just read those over. You can also use, of course, some of that information and that to fill out your story, because it adds some background information to my reporting, and should help you with the word count and to provide some interesting facts. And also you'll include quite a few quotations from my press release, my press conference, hopefully. And I look forward to seeing you all on Wednesday. Let's have a good week, and take care. See you then.